Hello, hello. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I do. I hope you had a good weekend. And we are now into another week. And schools were supposed to be starting down here, and they did not. They put them off another week and then went completely online. Originally, they had given each household the option to do in school, in class at the high school, or at the schools, or remotely online at home. And you had the two options. And then we were notified last week that it's going to be all online here in Alabama. So our state's getting, it's been increasing quite a bit with the COVID cases. So it's been a bit frustrating, and my son is really frustrated because this means they're not doing elective classes in high school, which means he will not be doing his driver's ed, which he's super bummed about. But okay, let's get into the video before I go on and on. I've got some storms coming through, so if you hear thunder in the background, that's what that is. Yeah, go grab something to drink, grab a snack. Cheers. Let's sit back, relax, and get into the box I have today. So I got a box from the UK, and it is Look Fantastic Beauty Box. Now, this was given to me free for review, so I am going to, in addition to that, I have another box coming, which is a second variation. There are two variations, so I am going to do two videos on that. But what is Look Fantastic? Well, it is a sister company of Glossybox, and obviously beautiful packaging, really pretty boxes. And the subscription itself, if you go month to month, it's $19 a month with free shipping from the UK. If you choose to go sign up for 3 months, it drops the price down to $18, but you still get charged monthly. So you don't get a lump sum charge for that. You still get charged monthly, $18 a month. And the same thing with 6 months and 12 months. The only difference is that it drops down to $17 and $16 for the 12 month. And you get billed and charged monthly. So it works out pretty good. And then you get, each month you get 6 products, I believe, and they have a guaranteed value of over $60. So it is a pretty good value from what I hear. We'll open the box and I'll give you my opinion on that. But I am excited because I did get this a while ago. It was a long time ago. And I don't know why I canceled. Yeah, I don't know. But let's dive in. And again, super pretty box. Very sturdy. Great to store stuff or for gift giving. Now, when you open up the box, the first thing you see is a pamphlet. And then you have the tissue paper with all the products underneath. Let's open this up, and ooh, this is so pretty. Look at that. The presentation is gorgeous. I'm impressed. So, let's see what they sent. Now, inside the little pamphlet book is a lot of tips and how-tos and stuff like that, and information on different products. And in addition to that, it also has each of the items in our box that we are getting, and detailed description and the prices. But the prices are in pounds. Okay, so let me put my glasses on so I can read all this good stuff. I will try not to get a glare. Now, the first thing I'm going to pull out is by Bella Pierre. It's a little dirty from the packaging. So here it is. Not sure what that is. Oh, it's a mineral blush. Okay. And honestly, it looks like a full size. And the color is Amaretto. That looks like a pretty neutral color. The value is 15 pounds. So sounds like it is a full size. Bella Pierre Cosmetics Mineral Blush in Amaretto. Creamy, non-comedogenic, and recommended by both makeup artists and dermatologists. This mineral blush will bring a healthy flush of color to your face whilst looking completely natural. That's always nice. Tap a small amount of product into the lid. Swirl a blush brush in the product and tap off. Okay, so that's that. Yeah, this does look like a really good size, and it's got like a sticker thing on it, so I'm gonna leave that there for right now. And don't forget, I am getting another box with a different variation of different products, so stay tuned for that. The next thing I have is by Caudalie Vino Perfect Radiance Serum Complexion Correcting. Okay. What is this? Caudalie Vino Perfect Radiance Serum. It's valued at 15 pounds 33 pence. A worldwide, and this is not a full size, obviously. A worldwide cult favorite, and for good reason. This Caudalie facial serum, I don't think I'm saying that right, I'm sorry. Facial serum is packed full of viniferin, patented by Caudalie themselves, and 62 times more effective than vitamin C. Ooh. And is scientifically proven to lighten dark spots in just 4 weeks. Apply before bed onto cleansed skin. Okay. Is it going to be like a cream or a serum? Whoops. Okay, it's kind of a cross between a cream and a serum. That smells really good. Ooh, wow. Oh yeah, that smells nice. It goes on really nice and absorbs quickly. Very silky feeling. Oh, I like that. Mama like. Next, I've got Ico Lash Alert Mascara. Wake Up and Go Black. Here's that. Ico Black Magic Lash Alert Mascara. Retails for 10 pounds. Get long and volumized lashes with the help of your Ico mascara. With a curved brush to coat each and every lash. With product, no smudging, flaking, or crumbling. Just black, fluttery lashes for up to 12 hours. Ooh. That looks good. Oh, okay. That's teeny. That's okay, though. There's my mom saying, dinner's ready. It's dinner time. Okay, next. Ooh. I have a Dead Sea Water Mineral Body Lotion. I love Ahava products. And this isn't a bad size at all. Retails for 8 pence. Dead Sea Water, 8 pounds, not pence, I'm sorry. Dead Sea Water Mineral Body Lotion. Sea-kissed mineral. Deep hydrating and fast absorbing. These Ahava body lotions work to soften and smooth your skin from head to toe. Filled with minerals and antioxidants, your body will feel revitalized, refreshed, and restored. Perfect for sensitive skin, free from parabens and harsh synthetic ingredients. Ew. Yeah, none of these have safety seals on them. That's weird. Okay, so it's not as thick as a body butter. Put that on my hand. Oh, these smell incredible. Oh my gosh. And they are so moisturizing. Ahava products work so well. So well. I love them. Oh, that feels so good. Okay. Next is by Mio. Sun-Drenched Body Wash. Gentle Golden Micellar Cleanser. As a body wash. I haven't seen a micellar body wash. I've only seen, like, face cleansers. Mio. Sun-Drenched Body Wash. Retails for £3, 15 pence. With a delightful citrusy scent and subtle shimmer running throughout. Deeply hydrate your skin with this Mio body wash. Formulated with Indian fig extract and monk's pepperberry to give an instant soothing effect for both the mind and body. Lather onto skin in the shower and feel rejuvenated. Oh, yeah. Oh, you can definitely smell the orange and the vitamin C in there. Nice. Okay. Now, last but not least, Percy and Reed Hair. Perfectly Perfecting Wonder Balm. I love that packaging. That's adorable. Percy and Reed retails for £8. Perfectly Perfecting Wonder Balm, a miracle primer for your hair. Use alone or before styling to enhance your dew. This Percy and Reed balm makes your hair more manageable as well as adding moisture, shine, and definition. Ooh, that sounds good. So that, let me see. Oh, it's got a safety seal. I'm not going to open that right now. So yeah, that box had like a nice variety of stuff. It had body lotion, a makeup item is for blush, a hair product, a shower gel, and then was that a skincare? Yeah, the Wonder Perfect or Vino Perfect serum by Caudalie. So yeah, that was a really nice mix of stuff. I'm surprised. That was really nice. I am pleasantly surprised. And I mean, I feel like the blush and the Ahava body lotion were really the only things that were like size-wise like a good size. I feel like the other stuff was more like samples. Ooh, I knocked my camera. They were more like sample size. That wouldn't really last that very long. Like that shower lotion isn't gonna, I mean, it'll maybe do 1 or 2 uses in the shower. But, I mean, that's okay. I like trying stuff. I like being able to try it before I buy it, so I don't mind that. It's still not bad for $19. And then, of course, you can still get it cheaper if you sign up for a longer period. So, yeah. No, I think it was pretty good. That blush, the mineral blush, is really pretty. I can't wait to try that. But, and of course, I love the Ahava. But, yeah. Let me know what you think. Yeah. I'm kind of thinking about it. Kind of debating on how I feel compared to some of my other boxes. But, yeah. I think it's pretty good. Good price. Good products, a nice variety of products, where I think in some of our other boxes we don't get as much variety. We either got it's either too skincare heavy and not enough makeup, or vice versa. So, I don't know. Let me know what you think. I want to know. Give me your input. Put it down in the comments. Give it to me. So, yeah. I'm excited I was able to share that with you. And like I said, I will be getting another one of a variation too. So I will unbox that when it gets here. So yeah. All right. Well, thank you. Thanks as always for hanging out with me. I thank you, and appreciate you. I do. A special thank you to all my subscribers and my precious peeps members. And of course, thank you to everyone. I love you guys. Love you, love you, love you. I will talk to y'all soon. Bye-bye.